In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Sony WF-C510 and C700N earbuds in case you're having issues with them, or if you want to pair them with other devices and you want to disconnect them from the previous one. So how do you do this? First, make sure both of them are inserted in the case. Second, close the lid and open the lid. Third, go on the back of the case and you're going to notice there is a button right over here on the left side of the charger port. Press on that button and watch the small light in the front. It needs to flash red. Keep your button pressed over here until it stops flashing red. Let me demonstrate so it makes more sense. So right now I'm currently pressing the button and I'm looking very closely to this light in the front. I still keep it pressed. It's flashing blue. Do not release the button, okay? Even if it's flashing blue, do not release. I am still pressing. Okay, it's flashing red. I'm still pressing until it stops. Here we go. It stopped flashing red. Now I can release the back button. They have now been factory resetted. Next step, well, it will be to put them in pairing mode, so you can connect them with your smartphone and other device. So what you need to do now is to press the same button, that one, but once you see flashing blue, you stop pressing. This will mean they are in pairing mode. So let's do it. I'm pressing that button. I'm looking at the light. Okay, it's flashing blue. I can release the button. And now they're in pairing mode. You can go on your smartphone, go into the Bluetooth settings, and you'll be able to find them, connect them, and start using. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like. Go on my Amazon links in the description if you want to get a pair or accessories like a charger for your earbuds, and I'll see you in the next video.